Okay, so here's my current project. I just bought this Kawasaki EX400 today. Just arrived just a couple minutes ago off the tow truck. And it's been laid down on this side, so I'll be looking through to see what type of damage we have. But right now, it's looking like the front forks are intact, which is a big plus. I don't see any damage to the wheels or brakes, so it doesn't look like complete front end collision. It looks like it was just laid down on the right side. And with that, what I can see so far is we've broken the attachments for the brake, and we also broke the attachment for the exhaust hanger, and of course we've got plastics, and the blinker is missing. So, and then this feels torqued a little bit bent, like this is out of alignment with this. That's what it feels like right now. But I'll go through it a little bit more, but the very first thing is gonna put it on the battery charger and see what comes next. Anyway, here's the project.